Hi everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these blue and white stripes as part of Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using today are from OPI. This darkest one is Ogre the Top Blue. The medium is No Room for the Blues. The lightest one is What's the Cattitude? And then for the white, we have Alpine Snow. I'll be using the lightest blue as the base color, and once I have that complete, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw down to the bottom and then up to the top. Then I'm going to be drawing in some very skinny chevrons to create stripes. Once you have all of the stripes drawn in, you can go ahead and line up your nails. For this cup, I'm going to be dipping my thumb and pinky together. So I'm just going to make sure that they're lined up as best I can. And then go ahead and dip. With my orange stick, I'm going to clean up any of the excess polish so that that doesn't stick on top of my design. And once the surface is clear, I'm going to pull out my nails. I'm going to use a tweezer to remove my protection, and then move on to the rest of my nails. Once I've marbled both hands, I'm going to move on to some cleanup. I'm going to use a Q-tip for any larger areas as well as underneath my nails, and then I'll be going in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out, although I originally thought it was a little bit on the simple side. If I had a little bit more energy, I think I maybe would have added some stamping on the top to sort of play up the ocean vibes, but even just on its own, I think it's a really nice sort of palette cleanser after the more complicated designs. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.